In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Workspace account. Whether you're a seasoned user needing a refresher or brand new to all things Google Workspace, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in and make the process as smooth as possible. First off, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Google Workspace and hit enter. What you're looking for is the link that says Sign in Google Accounts. Give that link a click. This is your gateway to accessing everything Google has to offer through their Workspace platform. Now, if you've logged into your Google Workspace account on this device before, you might see your account listed already. This makes things super easy. All you need to do is click on the account you wish to access, and voila, you're in. No need to re-enter your details every time, which saves both time and effort. But if this is the first time you're logging in on this device, or if you don't see your account listed, don't worry. Look for the option that says Use Another Account and click on it. This will open up a field where you can enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Google Workspace account. After entering your email, click on Next. Right after that, a second field for your password will appear. Enter your password carefully, making sure there are no typos. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock key and everything should go smoothly. Once you've entered your password correctly, hit Next or Log In, and you'll be directed into your Google Workspace environment. From here, you have access to all the tools and services that come with your account, like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Meet, and a host of other applications designed to boost your productivity and workflow. Just a quick tip to remember: if you're using a public or shared computer, it's a good practice to log out after your session. This maintains your account's security and privacy. To log out, simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign Out. And there you have it. Logging into your Google Workspace account is simple and fast once you know where to click and what to type. Whether you're checking emails, scheduling meetings, or collaborating on documents, knowing how to access your workspace effortlessly keeps everything running smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to rewind or pause the video as needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more useful tech tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing!